how to fix airdrop failed. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So, is your airdrop failing? Then don't worry, I'm gonna teach you how to solve it in just a few simple steps. So, first things first, swipe down the notification bar from the right side and then toggle on your airdrop and then long tap on it, and there you'll see everyone option. Go ahead and tap on it, and there make sure that it is not set to contacts only. Sometimes setting into contact only fails your airdrop if the person is not added to your contact. So make sure you tap on everyone for 10 minutes. Then what you want to do is toggle up your Wi-Fi and then toggle it back again, and then you can also turn off your Bluetooth and turn it back again. If that doesn't work, then you can also try turning on the airplane mode and toggling it back off. If all of this doesn't work, then you'll have to restart the device from tapping on the power button. And that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more helpful tips and tricks. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video, everyone.